Hi guys. Have not updated in a bit. We officially landed in Boulder and couldn't really find a good camping spot that was really close to where Cody wanted to climb. So we actually just found a spot on the street last night just to sleep and woke up really early this morning, and I was blessed with being able to go to Trader Joe's again. I have not been able to do that since being in Arizona, so I missed it. I got a lot of goodies. We are currently parked in the Flagstaff area. Cody is off bouldering right now, but I am getting really hungry, and I think I'm going to start working on making these little bread bite things I used to do back home. It's got goat cheese, pecans, arugula, some hot honey. I'm sure there's something else, but yeah, it's really, really good and I've been craving it, so we're gonna work on that now. I know when Cody gets back, he's gonna think that I went like way overboard, but I am going to pull out the stove because I really want to toast the bread in some like garlic and just oil. These strawberries are actually really tart. This should be interesting. Probably because it's not really strawberry season anymore. The second I turned that on, it just died. I literally just killed all the butane, so that's fun. Thankfully, I have a spare and it's not even in the back, so let me change out the fuel, try this all again. Some garlic tucked in there. Almost perfect. A little longer on that one. Next, we're going to do some strawberries, toasted pecans, maybe. I knew they weren't going to stay there. And lastly, some arugula. I actually like a lot of arugula, so somebody's going to laugh at me, but pile it on there. Alright, let's see if it's worth anything. It looks great. It takes a second for your palate to like work through all of the flavors, but it's really, really good. I do think I should have toasted the bread a little bit longer though. Very good. Don't worry, I'm not gonna leave Cody out. I've chopped up plenty, so whenever he gets back, I'm gonna make him one as well. Strawberry down. He's back. Lunch is served.
Thank you, love.
You're welcome.
Some goat cheese. That thing was fucking huge.
We just got to a camp spot. We literally were just talking to a neighbor of ours. His name is Ken. Wonderful, very nice guy. As we're standing there, a shadow walks by and Cody's like, oh, that might be a skunk. And we look, no, it's a fox, which is really cool. Cody has only seen a fox once when he visited New York with me. As we're talking, continuing on the conversation, maybe 15 minutes go by, and you just hear these loud thuds, and you're like, okay,
and bushes
moving. You know, something big is coming, but no idea what.
It's pitch black.
Pitch black. We just slightly turn a light that we have, and a huge ass moose just walked behind the van. I can't believe that just happened. We're in astonishment, true astonishment that a moose just did that. Like
15 feet away.
Yeah.
From us.
Easily. Easily.
That was crazy.
Crazy.